Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So yet another range-bound day, and yeah, let's just get down to lower time frames. Just looking at what we see here on the daily doesn't give me any confidence for a move up or a move down. So what I'm talking about, yet another range-bound day, is the following. There's our range there. Okay. So basically hit the tie and seller stepped in, drove it down, and now we're going to be sitting on this area again. So the DAX still does not offer anything for me that is exciting me. Yeah, this is how to put it. It's completely confused. You can see that big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. Then we have big up, big down, and then big up, big down, big up, big down, sort of inside. So for as long as we are going sideways like this, and this moving average is trending to, well, flattening out like this, I have zero interest in trading this. Okay, we had a massive gap up, the same as the US markets. The US markets held the gap, the DAX didn't. Okay, now there is something that is transpiring, and obviously the dollar is weakening, which means the euro is going to strengthen, which will negatively impact the DAX as well. So that could be the catalyst, or what is actually driving this price action at the moment. But nevertheless, for me to trade this, I'm looking for a trend. If I don't see a trend, I can't trade it. Okay, if you are looking to trade the range, then obviously you're looking to be long off 13115, and you're looking for a target of 13317. Okay, if you break below this range and you come back and test, then right off the cuff I can see you coming back to the bottom of the bigger range here. Okay, and that's going to be in the region of 12906. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing else I can add to this, guys. This is not something that I trade. Yesterday, this was probably, there probably was a short on offer here, but bigger trend is up, so against my trading rules to take that short. But at the moment, we're coming back into an area of support, maybe an opportunity to buy into this for a travel back to the top of the range. But it all depends what happens to the euro today. If the euro gets hammered, then more than likely you're going to either continue going sideways, or we're going to continue drifting lower. Okay, yeah, I need to see decent structure, and I suppose I keep saying it on this, you probably got to come to 15 minutes to see it. And I mean, look here, 15-minute massive move up, and then pull all the way back, and then we stay below the moving average, trending down. You look at Friday, look at that price action there on the 15-minute. Not something you can trade. Okay, this kind of stuff, yes, you can trade. This kind of stuff here, you can trade. But this, not for me. Okay, so as it comes to the DAX, I think there's way more opportunities on the Forex market, and Wall Street's offering some value as well. So I'm not interested in the DAX at the moment. Okay, and just to close off on this, the futures market at the moment is 0.22 up at the moment. So we've finished 0.07 down after this massive gap up. I mean, what was this? So we had a 0.78% gap up. We were 1.2% up at one stage, and then came back to close at 0.07% down. Okay, so that just indicates confusion to me, so I'll keep my money in my pocket when it comes to the DAX. Anyway, my advice to you is, if you're going to trade the range, keep your stops tight, but my real advice is go look for value on the Wall Street or possibly the S&P. At the moment, I think there's a little bit more value there, and you'll probably make a little bit more money, and there'll be less pressure on your trade. Okay, anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.